chuanin kan tran deuh hmal ti mayanga he press conference mang hian Mizoram chung le Mizoram pona Mizo mipui om jong te chibai kabu zeu ani voina hian introduction ten kan nei don ha now I have a short introduction. Here is Mr. Rajesh Sharma. He is AAP Incharge of Northeast Region, and he puang tu ler sakima ler kima chan mari ami so ani chuanin asir bera thu so pusi dal khuma veng lui ami ani chuanin kai hi Joseph Biak Thian hi ma bungkol khadalam bang bungkol ong so kani chuanin kan chia theu angin Aam Aadmi Party in Delhi le Punjab danglam na satak an thena eiruk na andau ngama electric le tui ise unit chu dijat mangchin chu athonin an sema chuan sarkar school le damdo inte pon ise ikhan all samjokin amire theite ta na all samjokin ikhan ma anla ania an manifesto te po an India mangkhan ti do tinga turin an tin tu ka tan khan ba na tan kha ania kha ti sarkar kha ania bangkhan Mizorama po kan to ti hui ve nge yang ti kha kan ring kat ani Mizorama po hian thiam hin taka politics khela mi bui rong bo sak tak tak duna sarkar din tu he midam tak kan homa chu mi de chu kan kal khoma chuanin debat pol te kan in sowa chuanin thei tang to kin pa te kan la chho ani chuan boina po hian Delhi lam pang atangin bukse pui tu le pura jesa kan jinga notice Incharge ni na agina ro tel ve ani hian Mizorama AAP la tu ani tu hi boina hian rom puang don ani chuan tu na hian district sang hian ala na kan nei ve to Mizorama hian politics siang hin tu sarkar thiang hin tu hi kan zong zel don a district sang apo ti han kan pen chuak zel don ani chu wang chuan thalai le ka thiam mi huai sen mi taima midik politics na masunu na kera ngai lo ka tidama ka chuan kan chu tiang mi chu kan zong don ani Mizoram chunga hian soi mai ni to lovin social media post mai ni to lovin ataka pe chuak ngam thalai poison kan mo do na chung tiang mi chu kan zong don ani chuanin ka tu ma chu hati mai se now may I request Mr. Rajesh Sharma to have his time.
Hello everybody. We are getting lots of calls from Mizoram, and many youths came to us and asked us that come to Mizoram and launch Aam Aadmi Party here. So I came here to meet people, to know exactly what is the situation here. So what we have seen is people told us that there is lot of rampant corruption here and there is lot of scope for development. Conditions of schools and hospitals, healthcare facilities is not good. And as Aam Aadmi Party always addressed these issues, even we have seen in Delhi in last 7 years, we have transformed the conditions of school, the whole education system. We have changed. We have created healthcare facilities, easily affordable, free healthcare facilities, drinking water, free electricity, employment opportunities. All these things we have done in Delhi, and even after formation of our government in Punjab, we are reiterating the same things in Punjab. So on the request of our youths from Mizoram, I came here and found that yes, we should start our activities in Mizoram. So now, first of all, we are starting a membership drive. This membership drive will continue initially for 1 month to assess that how many people are interested in Aam Aadmi Party in Mizoram. And this membership driving we are starting from today only, and this program will be coordinated by Andrew Lalrem Kimma, Joseph C. Lal Kumar, Eliezer Mar, Melanie Talau. These five persons will do the coordination of all this program, and I will monitoring from center. And let's see how Mizoram people are welcoming us. If Mizoram people wish that Aam Aadmi Party should be here, we will launch formally. After 1 month, we will meet again and launch the party here. Thank you. Any questions?
Zona, oh, mine, kan soi lo kan ram din hun kan che chiang soi dua po angai lawa midang soi chiat po kan tum lem lawa kan ram din hun kan che chiang amar tu kan thei ang kong kong ram that na le ram ti ma so ni ini ho hian in kan tum ber ania e kan state hi kum som thum panga upa kan ni to amaro tu sarkar le mi puya po kudoril ruhi tun thengin kan lapurenga tu tiang ang chuanin puitlin na kong kan zo theina tur hianin I siam that eni ho hianin kan tum don ania pathian nung petu state kan in tia state dang te enton tak ni turom tak si midang state kan entona anti dante kan zira hi ta thei tur hi puta kan oma Subantan state dang ti dan zir lo hianin midang te hianin kan ti dan te zir ve to se ti hi wani hianin kan thak le kan du thu sam ania I midang state kan kala kan zira kan va ti notice po hianin kan in thon chuak na sa midang hi ron kal se la hian kan ti dan te ron zir se ti kan dream ania AAP hianin abi ka wani hanin kan wina so yang hanin Punjab ale Delhi ma nasa takin na la kuta an kalpui met miratheite abikin soikana kongate in hilsang sanga thilan ti mason na konga hianin kan huwa kan tria chungchu kan ota ma development hi akal mu soi ringot lawa kala ni chu ban chu ela ya hianin nei veila ti hi kan ote me ma chu ban an ni I boini hianin kan thopuetan kan somluta I an kalpung anga kalve hi kan dua laklu kan du ni chuanin Mizoram mi puite abikin chalai te kan har ahun to kan dia mitam tak rambe tak kan oma china kan helaya kan member ina so yang khanin boini hianin mi waisen ramtana theina to tur pen chuak turin boini hianin kan soma I member drive kan nei dona chalai te kan som tak mewa mani sum insenso mani tha insenso poi salo poi tilo tur kha thopui tur hoine hen kan zonga I kan welcome be kan tu po ha I mitebi million bi omlowin hoine henin thopui tur kan soma kan state chen omte kan en chuanin an try tu te kumlama phe chuan no pangte te an ni hloma hoine hen kum som li atanga som nga panga Incharge hi tuna henin state CM an ni pura hoine henin kan rama hi chuanin I kumu palam pang titulan politics te hi kan dari tolu to kan emoni le ti hi kan ngai tuana ni chu bang chon chang thar te le mithar jok le mel thar jok te boinen kan pen so ahun to lom ni tin I boinen kan mizo puite I somna kan han siam duwa chu ta chuanin I amaro chu he party hi mi mal lok na emo mi mal ham that na atana ron lutum katiang ang hero chu kan welcome lem lowa I Paul din san po ani rawani ti hi boini hen chiang takin kan soi chiang duwa tuna hianin I asoyang kan office bearer sang po kan omran lawa organizing committee ka mindina chungchuanin he helaya hian sakhat chungin na kan thokanga chuta member te kan mu thatta na zirte member te helaya Aam Aadmi Party Mizoram ending se Mizoten mi pu ending se kan ti ni chuan boini hianin kan number te kan nei do na kang ang kanin in peturin kanin som do na ni kan ram siam that turian pathian in min ompuin chakna min pethau se I boini apoin nang ni press meet te po hi du sakna kan lan butik na puang chuak turin I kan han in ngen non lia waisen taka kan ram tan yan kan ram nei chun ania mangai tlang takin tongka me ni loin ati hi ahun to soya soy ni loin a thot chu a hun to ni tin kanon pen suak ani e lo me
Mr.
Rajesh.
Rajesh. So, is there any, are you planning to contest the MLA election in 2023 under AAP?
It's all about what people want. If people of Mizoram wants that we should contest, then definitely we will contest. That's why we have started this drive, so as we can go to people and then people will tell us whether we should contest or not. So it's all about people. If they want, we will fight.
Mi pui na min than min member a kan nei tam dan zir kha ni don na chu wan chuan in 2023 election ni kan contest ang ti kha om chuang lo amaro chu sakhat chunga te kan response Mizoram chunga kan mu dan na zirin pelama chuan party sang sang anom to i khang kha he hi kan du to ke kan ti ni chuan in ka kha ni me ko ni hianin nge ni midang ba nek zong em mi dang va eng lo zong ti hi kan ni lo e ko le chu wa kan mi queen hi kan du e kan ot ve kan ti ni chuan in i hun min pe ani ber chu an ni yan an kal dan pu ngi party du do ba hon ngut kha ani lem lo ani ti kha kan soi du ni chu du te mon an so ma ai hong ang ngut ti kha man mo lo an kal pu ma hian
ani member la ka member basic chin te
Oh, a Canberra state district na hianin somnga borbel kateng nga talkha theise an ti tan nan chuan
District mo.
Oh, district pakata
amala
amala tu deu ang kha ani chu oh OB po om chuang thui lo hian thanem ngai na in kan som to ka anron minron ngai vena anron chho bang wang ani zo da dang ala om chuan chang the ania
với sinh ra thì sao này cho nó mà đi mà cái ăn chung không cho một hạt lại ăn mà sama về ăn cái này
Iya, tapi nak soyang depan distriction sangat dia group depo WhatsApp group depo social media kan tak pun group depo kan naik tua tapi yang members of itu juga kan om betul itu nari cuan amai roju hey biro lam tu dia ma kan ada tunjuk lewa kan om betul itu juga cukan ngai
nia
iya Friday kan
lau ni le ma official in ala ni lo party kan la eng lo chuang lo chu sakat nuwa chuan in kan din na dirin kan in official in kan in launch ang
Adung na song na to ni du tui to ne AAP ulam te state sang te kan lo mu da la hian okinan ini mo kurot sa dangan ni ti te chuang ke ti te nuhin sa takin de zela sao ku ni
du tui veng chu an ni pon an du ta na ni a mi ming tha te ka tiang ang kha kan som chu ba ka chuan in nia thalai te pen chuan na hun a kha i boi ni hian in kan nge ni mani apokanin kan soi lok du chu mi chu ti za chu an mani website a hian in sign lut na oma mi sang chuang ni chu anin ziak lut ani anin sign in ani kan member ang kama ro chu hil ti tak tak om lo bang hian in in pek nang tak tak kha om lo ba Mizoram sunga hian ka tiang hun ka kan siam thar don che ta tu na hian ma po khanin an om nu sing ni chu
ka zo na on ni ka kan sei la platform an tu anga do ni ni na tu ke mo ni
yes
Mizo tu ke tan ni ya tan ni jema tu bang floy tu lo ke ko mo sok ke kalai ta ka kan ni tu ka lo
mel thar me
kata kan du tui su chi kan kama kata kan member of loop tu zila kan
politician do more we lo min chama lo te ko an ya until now and I look at shit see lo ama lo chung chung na kan jin tin tam ta ko le ne ke ko te se ko le ka ni sa tam ta ha ka ti ba ha te so la ko re sa vice president ha platform an chu na ngai don si ya emele kan ni de te mo na kina ilo inform so ya so ka ti ma ka ni so fa ma si ya ka da ha ka ho ka ti ko don na ami remember
ya koi mo kok bai amen ba tu ju hai tu tu kok ka don la ba membership drive kan lenga tu member ka du ju ar tiang amai ro chu a leading role part play tu ka chu kai tu ye wang ka ni da ka chu and then in sungai di bom dei chui mai ka ni da ka chu amen ba chu ju ka chu in du bak tu ka ong la ba a tu te ko ha ni ya ta ko ai bom vek amai ro chu a shoi tu tu ka chu kai du ye wang di ka sa ta dia
mithar or no fee or fee membership will be
It's free, 100%.
Anyway, try to read July the in kita tu nak konsumsi lah konsumsi kita. Kan itu tu nak kan politician sini ada tu nak kan orang try tu nak kan chief minister ni kau itu konsumsi kita. Yang orang ni ini no tu orang ini ni no interior tu kan.
Bible ส่วนนี้กิมตานหุ่นรวดอันนี้อ่ะชูวางส่วนนี้advisor อาเต้ขัดเดียงอาเต้ส่วนอันดูพดส่วนนี้กัน welcome ลุตุกอันทั่วค่ะอัชลุตุกะอามารอจูกันรำอันเทโตเป็นมินช่วยสักตัวมินช่วยตัวอีติเมียงอันเทโตเป็นอันฉันเบรินมินให้บุญนี้มินเช่นอันนี้อ่ะอามาจูฉลายเตหุ่นอันนี้เวทล้อมนี่ดิน question กันดานี่จูเบรินอะไรนี่ส่วนนี้มินเขียนเวทเสฉลายเตเฮียนินเตมาอาคุมโนปังจอกเตหุ่นจันส์มินเวทโรเสตีนเห็นจูกันเอาวันนี้จู
Mizorama political party ima yang pali tu na anu ta PC ne PC tadi la pasal so ni temi na so so political party go ting tak ima yang Congress te MNF te ang omatin tu na internet se PM na ka katiam ka yan Mizorama AAP din tunare tunge ni laya ka kasi tunga kan Mizoram politics din Mizorama AAP din kaya jul na siya.
I'm saying, why do you want to have the AAP here? Though there are already existing party, there are lots of existing party already.
There are lots of existing party everywhere in every state. But the thing is that they are not addressing the issues of people. They are not controlling the corruption. They are not building schools. They are not building hospitals. They are busy in doing corruption. If they are already doing good work for people, there is no need of Aam Aadmi Party. Even if in Mizoram, people of Mizoram feel that the party which are already existing here are doing good work, then absolutely there is no need of a new party to come here. But what we feel that the traditional parties are not addressing the core issues of people, the basic issues of people. So we are here with the alternative politics, with honest politics, with politics of work. And we have done this, shown the example to whole of India, whole of the nation, that what work we have done in Delhi. So it is not like I have to say again and again that what works we have done in Delhi, but everyone knows the same things we want in every state. People also want the same thing. That's why we are here.
Yeah, Mizoram is a small state, so the population is around 10 lakhs, only 10 lakhs. So, as I already mentioned, there is a political party, three political parties. Do you see any chance to survive for AAP?
See, any party can flourish or survive only on the wishes of people. It's a democratic country. It's a democratic state. If people want us, then only we can survive. If people don't want any party, they will reject any moment. So it's upon the wishes of people. That's why we are starting this membership drive first, to see whether people are willing or not.
Vote kan nelom, mo kan vote in kan ku kan say tlang ang chu.
So, for the first time, this membership you have tried. But even if you do not expect your fulfill your expectation, then what will come next here in Mizoram?
See, if people of Mizoram don't think that it is right time for us to come, even then our team will do some work for. We will keep working. It is not like that we will stop our work, because opposition is needed everywhere, every time. Okay, and there is need of political parties. We are talking about honest politics. We are talking about politics of good governance. So we will keep raising our voice, and at a moment, at a time will come when people of Mizoram will think that yes, this is the right time to give the chance to Aam Aadmi Party AAP. So definitely, we will exist here. We are not going to vanish. Definitely, this is our first step. We will continue.
Ani chuan kan du tok kan mai kan pha na masakang kan ma na masakang ye please phone number hi release kan duwa he number a here member ni du chu call kan dong here ni ki tha kan soi ngal duwa chu number chu kan soi lo na 8798173705 8798173705 mi number akan ngai du na member di du chu erong call thei do ani
Very good. I think we said that right.
Member is not so the war.
Chúng ta
Chơi là mình war. Chứ là sao được
thì tôi còn sống chứ.
Cái đó nó mà theo cái đó qua trong những quá thì cũng nó cái nó chưa spell rồi nó
Tak kan ini.
Kami number hati masih berkol do namo. Tahan. Girong kontak kiri ang number akan.
Ting turin one night in thil dang lam vek thilo Mizoram ajon mo zan khat thil tua.
Ito kan sok.
Ito kan som pathian rin sanin. Remati tuanin nge har sa om le nem. Mi
Ako nga din bakat ng mani pidin to Mizoram politics mo political party mo nina mo le khatim lama impan to na khai lo
nei lem lo. Oh, kan nei lem lo. Nei, an om be. Local council level ani be.
Member di lain ni kan dia amai ro ju Congress kita dah ingin jual di kat suasana to ya. Thì thế mà tôi nghĩ mấy cái đó không được.
mình tham gia vào cái dù gì mấy đồ hỗ trợ rồi.
Đấy, dù gì là họ.
Aso yang kanin I enge mo ni lobby ha ngai chung thi ma opposition te po kan om reng phang aya sarkar khangil tu we will do if need be. Of course that is necessary.
Để hình ra bài chuyện ăn không? Để